Hello everyone, welcome to Kentish Airsoft. My name is John. In this video we are playing back at Ace Combat Airsoft, similar to the last one. This is the second segment of that day. So it's myself and Paul both running our HPA converted Lancer Tactical, very speed softy kind of style builds, but it's our first time trying them in Woodland. This particular game mode, I can't quite remember what the actual objectives were, if I'll be honest. I know there was a delivering of a bomb, but it's quite nice to see, if you stick around to the end, you see me kind of take on a few new players and try and teach them the ropes a little bit. So hope you guys enjoy. I'll stop rambling, let you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
They're in there, straight ahead of you.
I tried running.
5 metre sprint.
Brain's like, let's run. Knees like, no.
Not quite.
Have we got anyone gone round this way?
Hit. Dan, crossing. Push in!
You red? Are you dead? You are now. Do you want to call it? Yeah. Yeah, I would. Put your hand up and walk out, mate.
I'm going to take it. Yep. I bounced off my butt cheek.
Good shot. Very good shot.
Is he still in there, Alfie, or not?
Yeah, he's just on the right of that window.
Push up in. Come on, mate, that was your arm.
Move up, Reds! Oh shit, no.
No, there's still loads. Reds, push up! Go. Yellow!
See him? Black! If you're in 5 meters, you are dead! No good, no kill! Well done!
Oh, there's another one.
Go on, boys. Get in the fight. John. Fella, get over, there's one down there. John, get over. There's a guy on that corner that's beating us. Well, I don't know where this twat is. You got eyes on, Dan?
Hit. Good shot. Reds, push up! So you caught my helmet, I'll call it as well.
Right. Right, the guy's down to my left.
Oh, fucking branch. I just took one out in the tunnel.
There was pillars.
Keeps them away from it though. Reds, push up to my position! Yeah. That went in the branch.
Hit, shot.
Not quite sure what happened to Paul's cameras here. I believe he kind of stepped out to either sort his iPro out or something along those lines, so unfortunately he's stuck with me for the rest of the video. But I hope you guys enjoying so far. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.
Hit!
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that white container,
That's
yeah.
not fun.
How the fuck are we going to play this? Watch out, buddy, you are in crossfire right now.
They've still got that guy who got us in the tunnel. I don't know if he's still there.
I don't know, fella.
No, there was a guy just as we were trying to come out of the tunnel behind one of the containers.
Who's up at the next mound? Is there a friendly there?
No.
This next mound here, yeah. Green mask!
Here.
Green mask! Yo! Can you peek and see if anyone's to the left? Yeah, to the left hand side. Very quickly peek.
Is there one there? No.
No, clear.
Yeah.
I'm going to push hard to them tyres.
Which one are those?
The big rear big tractor tyres, yeah. This guy's falling short, so if we move quick enough, he's not got a range.
He's gone to the side.
Look behind you, buddy. Look at that container. Keep an eye on that. We're going to push to you, yeah?
Face behind you.
I want to get to that white container, and then we can push up as a unit. Go, 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 go. Push up. Next cover. Go, go, go. Next cover. Still behind that cover, buddy. Anyone got a nade? Daryl, you got a grenade?
Yep.
Behind that L piece there. Get it behind it, you'll kill him. Yeah, wooden pallet in front of me. See it? Oh, he's run. Right, don't worry about it. Need your range, they're coming out of the woods.
There's one on that wood. Right, white wood in the
Oh. He's down. Right, it's both of them down. He's down as well. Push up next cover. Go. Oh, did I get ya? Fucking shot! Right, that should be enough to advance to next. Lads, are we pushing up as a unit? Get to next mound. Next mound. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Didn't you just go back to spawn? Yeah, I see. We're clear to the right still. I'm suppressing if you guys want to push. Try and get round them. Careful, I think there's a sniper dug in. Looks like a ghillie laying down. I can't get visual. Next to a white OTB laying on the floor. Should be to your 12 o'clock as you look now. Is it ghillie? If it is, I can shoot him from here. No, it doesn't look like it is. Doesn't look like it is. It's too close for him to shoot anyway. Let's just sign off. Oh, they're on the mound, two of them. Gents, keep an eye on our 6, yeah? We've got no one covering our arse. He'll call this one, it stinks.
That's what I need.
Is he still behind there? Is he still behind that mound, bud? Got him, yeah? Daryl, we clear to the right? Right, I'm going to push up to the next container. No, I'm not. There's a... No. Well, I'm going to next container. Try and get to that white cover in front of you, buddy. And just stay low, but peek to the side of it on the right hand side. Daryl, call them out, buddy. Rental, what do we look like to your left, buddy? We clear? Alright, mag change. Oh, fucking hell. I'm covered, mate, I can't move. One behind the trees out. Oh. I'm pinned, I can't move. Entrance of X Labs, I can't move. Barrel. Hold fire 2 seconds. That's their spawn though, we've got to be quick. Need to get into X Labs and take it. X Labs is the metal building to my left, yeah. Good shot.
Thank you if you've got this far in the video. It does mean a massive amount to us, and shows we're doing the right thing in regards to the footage. Hope you guys did enjoy. We've got a couple more games from this day to go through and put together. A little bit slower because it would be me sniping, and I believe Paul forgot to put his camera on for one of the games, if I remember rightly. But I'll go through the footage, hopefully have it up in the next couple of weeks, and then I believe we're going to play at a different site in the next week or so, so that'd be exciting. Make sure to check out the guys at SplodgeShoots. I forgot to mention at the beginning, but they are in this video. We always play alongside those guys. They're a great bunch of lads, and putting out a lot more content than what we are at the moment, mainly due to me. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.